Meaning of floridly.
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 Floridly. Floridly refers to something that is excessively ornate, flowery, or flamboyant in style or manner. It is often used to describe writing or speech that is overly elaborate or bombastic. When someone speaks or writes floridly, they may use excessive adjectives and adverbs, convoluted sentence structures, or complicated language that detracts from the main message. This can make their communication difficult to understand or come across as insincere or pretentious. In essence, floridly describes a communication style that is more concerned with showiness than substance, and can often be seen as a negative quality.